the last I saw alfalfa.
I didn't see it.
You on it?
I think it's like behind him to his left, to our left. What? I was wrong, wasn't I? He was right on. See what I know.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
It is on the move.
Yeah, I thought I saw it again. It's way behind you now, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's where I saw the alfalfa. Right there.
He's
There, saw it.
he's on it.
There, he's got it in his mouth, doesn't he?
Yep. Hey, hey, good boy. What a boy.
Don't tell me that dog's not ready for pheasants.
Good boy.
Come on, boy. All right.
You got it? He has a mouthful of feather. That's hysterical. There it goes. Oh, there it goes.
I can tell you who's sitting on pins and needles in Alpharetta, Georgia, just waiting for the phone to ring.
Oh, yeah.
Why aren't they calling? Why aren't they calling? What are they doing? Come on, boy.
Good boy, Camo. Come on.
See, that pheasant's making sounds. He's not eating it. He's just
Oh,
kissing it. He's still holding his head up. Come on, let's get him. He's eating feathers.
what you got there, huh? You want to show us what you got? Want to show us what you got?
Hey, it's pretty big for him to get in his mouth, but he was carrying it pretty good there at that.
Is it still moving?
It was holding its head up.
Good boy.
Yeah, it still got its head up.